If you've ever tried growing an Instagram account from scratch, you know the absolute grind it can be. Coming up with fresh post ideas every single day, editing reels for hours, writing captions, and trying to reply to every single comment before the algorithm forgets you exist. It's basically a full-time job. What if you could hand all of that heavy lifting over to an intelligent assistant built specifically for Instagram? That's where AI Grampa comes in. It's a complete all-in-one Instagram growth platform designed to give beginners everything they need to run a high-performing account without hiring an expensive agency or living behind an editing screen. AI Grandpa gives you four major tools inside a single workflow: a content creation studio, your own digital AI persona, automated video production, and a smart comment responder. First, let's talk about the AI persona. You can build a consistent studio-quality digital face and voice for your brand, supporting over 130 languages. This means you can create talking videos and reels starring the exact same trusted creator every time, even if you never want to step in front of a camera yourself. Next, the built-in AI Studio and video generator handle production. You can generate up to 10 short-form scroll-stopping videos and 50 custom images every month, plus 10,000 words of tailored captions. It even includes a full video editor with templates, caption styling, and stock media integrations, so your reels look polished and professional in minutes. Once your content is ready, simply drop it into the automated calendar planner. And here's the secret sauce: Grandpa's Front Desk. This feature automatically monitors your published posts and responds to up to 500 comments a month in a natural, on-brand tone. Your audience feels heard 24/7, and your engagement rate climbs even while you sleep. Right now, you can get full starter access to AI Grandpa for a single one-time payment, which even includes a free 30-minute Instagram monetization training. If you're ready to make consistent Instagram growth simple, check out the link in the description below to grab your access. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.